Okay, back on this Chaparral 204 Cuddy. Today's June 27th, 2020. Beautiful boat, well maintained. Nice cuddy cabin in there. Nice cushions and light and all. That is a place underneath there for a porta potty if you wanted to put one in here. It does have a new Bluetooth sound system that's been installed. Nice door, as you can see. Nice seat cushions. They look fairly new or redone here recently. All the teak wood's been refinished. Absolutely gorgeous boat. Gorgeous boat. It does have two new batteries in there, brand new battery selector switch and a built-in charger, so you can plug it in. I'm not sure what's over here, but let's find out. Just a nice little storage area. Looks like a live well there, and there's another one over here on the other side. Let's walk up front here. Nice, safe walkways. Nice seating area up front here. Again, teak anchor pulpit with an anchor. It does have a bimini there that's laid down right now. So there she is right there. Good looking boat. We're going to start the engine up next. So I got another video with the engine running.